Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a space. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. As you can see here in the left pane, all right, same goes to the app. Just go ahead and find the section where it says spaces. Instead of clicking find a space to join right here, to create one, just go ahead and click on these three dots, click on it, and you should just be able to see create a space. All right, just click on it. And here you'll be able to name your space. For example, I'm going to name it Spaceship. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and add an emoji like that. And just hit on create. All right, you might be wondering, why would you want to make a custom space or like group chat? Well, spaces right here. These are persistent team chat and collaboration areas where you can discuss topics, share files, assign tasks, and review message history. All right, as you can see here, there are a ton of apps here as well. When you click on this one, go ahead and add polls right here, chat bots, or even backlogs. All right, and even AI Tutor. This function right here is basically making it ideal for groups working on projects or sharing interest. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.